There are a number of pieces that I made in conjunction with the Smithsonian's initiative called Biocode Moorea. The idea was to take a fairly well-defined ecosystem like Moorea and in a 3-year time span barcode everything there, understand the complete total amount of biodiversity that was there. And once they sort of dug into the earth, literally they found that their estimates of species grew, exponentially. The Moorea pieces actually talk about coral reef symbiosis and a group of species that are dependent upon very specific corals. And as we experience coral reef die-offs in the South Pacific, there are certain corals around Moorea that are doing well. Those are Acropora and Poecilophora. And these paintings and specimen boxes contain the symbionts that work towards destroying the coral and preserving the coral, saving the coral. And so the paintings in these pieces are of the smallest things. They're blown up, they're blurry like all of the other work in this series. And then the specimen boxes contain these things that we tend to be able to recognize very quickly. And as you access the information, you are taken through this story of how each one of these symbionts works to, or what each one of these symbionts' role is in the life of the coral. And it's in the voice of the scientists that have come to understand that, that these corals are being attacked by very large starfish that are eating them. And very tiny crabs, very small crabs, are actually defending the coral against the onslaught of these starfish.